나는 차를 좋아해요. What does this sentence mean? If you would notice, the word in red letter is joayo, because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to discuss about the word joah. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 116. Joah. Joah. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is jo, the second syllable is a. Pronounce it with me. Joah. Joah. Joah is an adjective, and this is used to say, "Oh, that's good. That's alright." It is also used to say, "I like it." Now, how do we spell joah in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the first syllable jo in Hangul, we need to draw first a JOH character, followed by an O character, followed by a HIO character. And then for the second syllable a, we need to draw first a no-sound iyong character, followed by an a character. And then, we just have to combine the Hangul for each of the syllables to form the Hangul of the word joah. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word joah, let's try to look into this example sentence. It says, "I like that car." The Korean translation of this sentence is, 나는 차를 좋아해요. 나는 차를 좋아해요. 나는 means I, 차를 means car, joayo, which has joah, which is our word for today, means I like it. First of all, na or I is the subject and nun is just a subject particle. Again, the rules on subject particle is that if the subject has a consonant ending, we will add un. But if the subject has a vowel ending, we will add nun. And since our subject is na and it has a vowel ending, we'll be adding nanon. The next part of the sentence is cha를. Cha is an object and rul is just an object particle. Since our object is cha and it has a vowel ending, we'll be adding rul. So, it's cha rul. The last part of the sentence is joayo. Take note, we started with our word for today, which is joah. And then, we added he to use it in an informal speech. So it will go like joah-he. And then, to make it a little bit polite, we'll be adding yo. So that's joah-he-yo. Joayo. Again, nanon means I, 차를 means car, and joayo means like it. So the sentence means, I like that car. Now, if we will go back to the example sentence at the start of the video, when we hear 나는 차를 좋아해요, we already know that it means I like that car. And with that, you've just learned joah. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 106 to 115. But don't forget, our word for today, word number 116, is joah. This is used to say, good, alright, I like it. Word number 115 is yache, and this is the Korean noun for vegetables. Word number 114 is tebak. This is a Korean slang used to say amazing. Word number 113 is pap, and this is the Korean noun for rice or meal. Word number 112 is yongwa, and this is the Korean noun for film or movie. Word number 111 is boda. This is a root verb which means to see or to look at. Word number 110 is chincha. This is an informal way of saying really. Word number 109 is ge, and this is the Korean noun for dog. Word number 108 is undong, and this is the Korean noun for exercise. Word number 107 is gongbu, and this is the Korean noun for studies. And the last for our review is word number 106, sarange, and this is used to say, I love you in an informal manner. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, out here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. Ice cream, joayo. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is joayo. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word joayo. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 154. Joayo. Joayo. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is jo with an H, followed by an a, followed by ayo. Pronounce it with me. Joayo. The meaning of the word joayo is I like it or it's good. So when I say joayo, it means I like it or it's good. How do we write joayo in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable jo, we need to draw first a jiut character, followed by an o character, followed by a hiut character. Don't forget that it has a hiut character on its third position. The second syllable is a. To be able to write this in Hangul, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyang, followed by an a character. For the third syllable, yo, we need to draw first another iyang character, followed by a yo character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these syllables to form the Hangul of the word joayo. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word joayo, let's try to look into this example sentence. It says, I like ice cream. The Korean translation of this sentence is ice cream joayo. Again, it's ice cream joayo. The first part of the sentence is ice cream. And this is just the same ice cream we have in English, which is the sweet and cold dessert. But take note that they have naturalized or they have adopted the word ice cream itself. But they somehow have a different way of saying it. Instead of saying ice cream, they say ice cream. The second part of the sentence is joayo. And since this is our word for today, we already know that it means I like it or it's good. So if these two parts are combined, it would result to a sentence that means I like ice cream or ice cream is good. Looking back to this, if we use this as a question, it's the same as asking, do you like ice cream? But then if we use this as a declarative sentence, it would mean I like ice cream. And with that, you just learned joayo. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 144 to 153. But don't forget our word for today, word number 154, joayo. It means I like it or it's good. Word number 153 is molayo, and it means I don't know. Word number 152 is arayo. It means I know. Word number 151 is amado, which is used to say maybe. This can also be used to say it's likely. Word number 150 is jalgayo, and this is used to say goodbye or go well. Word number 149 is hanbon, and it means once. Word number 148 is sarang, and this is the Korean noun for love. Word number 147 is ajoma, and this is the Korean noun for an old woman. Word number 146 is ajosi, and this is the Korean noun for an old man. Word number 146 is imo, and this is the Korean noun for aunt. And the last for our review, word number 144, samchon, and this is the Korean noun for uncle. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.